Welcome to the Dark Secrets channel. If you're ready, we're starting. The coldest, most isolated, and least explored continent on Earth, Antarctica. A vast wilderness of ice battered by endless storms and home to no permanent residents. But beneath this pristine, frozen surface lies something far more mysterious. Hidden within official maps and protected by international treaties are zones marked as off-limits, areas where not even scientific teams are allowed without high-level clearance. Over the past century, whispers have grown louder. The United States has quietly turned parts of Antarctica into secretive operation zones. Why? What lies beneath those endless sheets of ice? From UFO encounters and nuclear experiments to theories about Nazi hideouts and ancient alien technology, the stories are as chilling as the climate itself. In this episode, we delve deep into the most forbidden places in Antarctica and ask, what is the U.S. government hiding in the farthest reaches of the planet? The year is 1946. Just after the end of World War II, the United States Navy launched one of the largest Antarctic expeditions in history, Operation Highjump. Officially, the mission was about scientific research and cold weather training, but the operation involved 13 ships, 33 aircraft, and over 4,700 personnel, hardly typical for a research trip. Commanded by Admiral Richard E. Byrd, the mission abruptly ended earlier than expected. Upon returning, Byrd gave a cryptic interview, warning the United States must prepare against possible attacks from flying objects coming from the polar regions. What exactly did he mean? Some believe Operation Highjump was a covert military mission targeting Nazi remnants in Antarctica, possibly confronting advanced technology hidden beneath the ice. Others claim Admiral Byrd encountered unidentified flying objects, suggesting contact with something or someone not of this world. What do you think? Could such a massive military presence really be justified by scientific exploration alone? Deep in East Antarctica lies a location with no official designation on public maps, known in conspiracy circles as Area 122. Satellite imagery reveals symmetrical shapes beneath the ice, structures too regular to be natural. But what raises the most suspicion is this: no civilian research is ever allowed in the region. The U.S. National Science Foundation has declared it a geologically unstable zone and placed it under strict protection. Yet, observers have recorded regular landings by U.S. military cargo planes. Why? Leaked documents suggest the presence of a massive subglacial cavity, an underground void with its own microclimate, completely isolated from the surface world. Some theorists go further, claiming this void contains non-human technology or even artificial structures. Do you believe the area is off-limits purely for environmental reasons? Or is there something down there the world is not meant to see? Before World War II, Nazi Germany conducted multiple expeditions to Antarctica. In 1938, they explored the region they called New Schwabenland, allegedly building a secret base, Base 211. According to some reports, high-ranking Nazis escaped to this hidden base after the fall of Berlin. Their goal? To develop new technologies based on ancient knowledge and occult sciences, practices associated with the Tula Society, an esoteric Nazi organization obsessed with Antarctica as a gateway to hidden power. Many believe Operation Highjump was, in part, a mission to find and neutralize this Nazi outpost and seize any exotic technology they might have left behind. Could it be that the U.S. government uncovered something in the ice? Something too dangerous or powerful to reveal? And if so, what secrets could still be buried beneath New Schwabenland's icy surface? Throughout the Cold War and beyond, the U.S. significantly increased its Antarctic presence. Bases like McMurdo Station were established under the guise of scientific exploration. But the level of security and the sheer scale of these facilities suggest a dual purpose. Satellite scans have revealed tunnel networks extending beneath several of these stations, leading some to speculate that these are not just labs, but high-security underground complexes. In 2011, WikiLeaks released diplomatic cables hinting that certain Antarctic zones were being used for classified projects, including advanced energy experiments and geophysical weapon research. In recent years, the U.S. has even aligned satellite networks such as Starlink toward Antarctic coordinates, sparking theories about space-based surveillance or deep Earth energy extraction. Are these stations truly for the advancement of science? Or is Antarctica becoming a new kind of battlefield, one hidden under snow and silence? Perhaps the most chilling story comes from the Ross Ice Shelf, one of Antarctica's largest and most isolated regions. In 2016, a U.S.-funded research mission reported unusual magnetic anomalies beneath the ice. The project was suddenly shut down. The official explanation? Equipment failure due to unstable conditions. But what followed was even stranger. 3 scientists involved in the mission were quietly reassigned. 1 year later, one of them was found dead in a Norwegian hotel room. Cause of death undisclosed. The other 2 vanished from public view. No interviews, no statements. Rumors claim they discovered a structure beneath the ice, one not made by humans. Others believe the Ross Shelf hides an ancient power source, a magnetic field generator buried thousands of years ago. Could their silence be the result of a discovery too big to be made public? And, if so, what else is being hidden under Antarctica's deepest ice?
Antarctica is often portrayed as a peaceful land, untouched by politics, reserved for scientific harmony. But as we've seen, the truth might be far more unsettling. Giant military operations, restricted zones, missing scientists, anomalies that defy physics, and a powerful nation that guards its Antarctic secrets more fiercely than any other. Maybe the world isn't ready to know what really lies beneath the ice, or maybe, just maybe, we already know and choose to look away. But now it's your turn to weigh in. What do you think the United States is doing in Antarctica? Are we witnessing science at the edge of the world, or something far more secretive? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you're intrigued by forbidden places, hidden operations, and the dark secrets of global powers, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Dark Secrets of the World. More mysteries await, and we'll be right here to uncover them.